New makeup, new makeup, new makeup. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello, beautiful people of the internet. My name is Amber and I am one half of the makeup duo. So I am uno makeup duo today, and I bring to you something new to me, something maybe new to you, I don't know, but it is a Glambot haul. But I decided to do something like a little bit more interesting and not just a Glambot haul. I decided to do, you might be able to hear my dog upstairs. I decided to do like a bundle haul. First of all, let's get down. If you don't know what Glambot is, which I didn't, this is new to me. Let me read it to you because I am not a prepared bitch. So, Glambot was founded by a tried and true makeup hoarder. Gotcha. She loves makeup and all the glamour it represents. After trying the various online makeup battering and trading communities, she experienced a major downside of these communities, such as swap lifting, counterfeits, items arriving damaged in the mail, or worst of all, items in unstable condition. Instead of abandoning the makeup community entirely, she decided to improve and unite it. So, that didn't really tell you what the website is, but I'll tell you. Glambot is a website where you can sell your used makeup or unwanted makeup, and they sanitize it and then they resell it at a discounted price, obviously because it's used. And then they sell it to you at a discounted rate. But what they also have are these bundles, and they are an incredible deal. I got 4 bundles. One is a lip, one is an eye, one is their like VIP, and then one was their holiday special edition. So I got 4 of those. And then I also got some lashes because I can't not buy some lashes. This is the little package I got. Way smaller than I anticipated, but it's okay. I still have hope for you, Glambot. Let's see. Me and my mom's shirt. We're opening this doodad. I really need to learn to stop being so aggressive with packages because I always seem to rip something. So let's just get my lashes out of the way. So I got some lashes. I never tried these before. It is nicely wrapped. I need scissors. Yeah. Okay, so they came nicely packaged. They look gorgeous. The band is a little thick, but these are House of Lashes in, I don't know. They're nice. They're super cute, so I'm excited to try those. So let's just start with this one. So this is the VIP shopping spree bundle, and this was $3. And what this was, to my understanding, is it's some samples. Trying things out before I get like the full price and what have you, so it's fine. So I got this, and like I said, this was $3. And I think on the site it was like originally $30. I'm like, for some sachets, no. Okay, so first sample we have is the Smashbox Give Your Lips a Matte Makeover. So this is a little sachet of the Insta Matte, which you put on top of a lip topper that's glossy, like, you know, and it makes it instantly matte. Cool. We have, what is this? I think this is just like a card in here. What is this? Like a gift card? Huh? And then we have a Clarins Tone Recharge Multi-Intensify. So this is like a serum. We have another, we have Sunday Riley Brightening Cream with Brightening Enzyme Bottle Cream. We have Clinique, which I don't use Clinique. They break me out. But I can definitely give this to someone, and it's a pretty nice little sample to try the foundation, so that's cool. Then we have Uplifting Scent, which is like a hand cream, which I love these because you can pop them in your purse and you're good to go. So that was the first little bundle. So that was $3, and it came with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little sachets to try. So I think that's pretty reasonable for $3, even though, you know, they're usually free. We won't talk about that. On the Glambot website, so I purchased these. It's called VIP Shopping Spree Bundle, and what it says on the website is, also this is currently out of stock. I'm sorry. It says the VIP bundle comes with a gift card. Oh, so the little thing I have that comes with it can be either $3 or $100. So I'll definitely put a little thing here and let you guys know how much this actually costs. So that's really cool. Not only does this bundle pay for itself, it essentially gets 5 to 7 trial sizes or 3 to 5 mini sizes. So the next one in here, it does not say what it is, but it's this little black bundaroonie in here. Definitely feels like there's like a palette of some sort. Okay, let's open it. Okay, sis, I just want to open it. We got it. We got it in there. And then it's wrapped in nice. Oh! I'm shocked. Hold on a second. Okay. Let's be real. One sec. So first thing in here is a little baby beauty blender. And I don't know if they read my mind, but I just put this in my cart on Sephora. Just put it in there. So it's the little baby one, the little green one. Oh my God, yes. Okay, so, and then we have a MAC product, and this is in Japanese. I don't know what this is, but it looks like a blush or a skin finish. Is this even real? Is this fake? Why is it in Japanese? Oh, listen. Yes. And then we have a Smashbox lipstick in the color Spectacle. Ooh, oh yeah. This is beautiful. I am digging this. I'm gonna love this for summertime. That is a beautiful orange and the formula is really nice. So a Smashbox lipstick. This little thing, which I've always wanted to try this, so I'm pretty excited that it came in because I'm never gonna buy it. So, don't know how to say what this is, but it's a little wine bottle and it's like a little lip. I don't know if it's a lip stain. What is it? Waterproof lip gloss. So basically a lip paint. Ooh, that color is beautiful. Does it say the color? I don't know if it does. I don't think it does. Maybe it's supposed to be the color of the cap, but it's this one right here. It's kind of like a ready berry. And last we have in here is this Sephora palette. Nice. And I do have to say, you know how all of these things are supposed to be like used or things like that, they were sold. They all look pretty clean. They smell clean. Like there's nothing noticeably that they were actually used. So I think that's really great. So this is a Sephora little palette. I do not use Sephora brand makeup. It looks like a little holiday one that they had. It has this little cute little foxy down here, and they are like these nice nude shadows, so that's really cool. That is pretty good. I will put the grand total of what all of this would cost right here, and this was $14 for all of that, and I think honestly that is incredibly a good deal in my opinion. So far so good. So we have this here, and it feels like eyes. I'm out of breath. Ooh, okay. I'm excited. This came with 3 Urban Decay eyeshadows, and it's not like they are bogus colors that a lot of people won't use. These are great colors. This is amazing. Oh my God. Okay, let's swatch. So this one is in Chains, and it's like this green. I'm not good at swatches, but it's like this forest green, super pretty. Twice Baked. Oh my God, I love Twice Baked. I have this in my, you know, the palettes. So this is Twice Baked. It's a nice brown. And then there is Mushroom, which is this nice gray, and they're all like iridescent and shimmery. Ooh, Mushroom's probably my favorite. That's a beautiful color. And then it also comes with a Sephora waterproof liner. Oh no, it's in Good Mood. Also not gonna swatch this, but it is this beautiful like green. It goes really well with the shadows. So not only did they like put these shadows together that go well together, they thought of a liner that would go well with these colors. So I think that's really great. So the grand total of these would be up there, up here, right here, for $14. So far, so good. Let's move on to the next one and last one, which is going to be the lip bundle. I'm assuming, since I don't have that yet. Get off my finger. Get. Now let's see what you got. Ooh, Christmas. First one in here is the Lorac Lips Luxe, and it is, I can't say that. I'm gonna put it somewhere for you because I cannot say that. Ooh. Okay, so you can, this one is the first one when I could tell that it was owned previously, because the way they chopped it, you can definitely see that it was chopped and cleaned, which is totally fine, but you can definitely tell. And this color is beautiful. Yes. Okay, and next is a MAC. This I definitely know is real. This is a MAC, and this is in Yash. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Are you kidding me? And it's not like a lot of product is gone. Like this product is like full size new. Ooh, that is beautiful. Oh my God. Glambot, you doing some work. I see you. And then these, I love these. I hope they're a good color. But these are the bite, like, dual ended. So there's a lip on each side, and this one is in, oh gosh, I know one side's violet, the other side, I don't know, I can't see. Ooh, beautiful. You can also tell that this one was choppity. Yes. Okay, and last is also actually a brand that I've never tried before. This is still in its box, like, it's brand new. It's brand new. Okay, and this is Lipstick Cotton Candy, and it's just like their regular lipstick. The color is cotton candy. The packaging is really nice. Ooh, this might be a little grandma-ish. Hold on. Stand by. Yeah, definitely something my grandmother would totally reach for, which is fine. You know, she's a bad bitch, but we a little frosty for my liking. But the formulation, ooh, smells like lipstick. I had one out of the baby. But that one is that right there. Overall thoughts. You know, Birchbox and Ipsy and all of those like subscriptions per monthly. This is what this reminded me of. You pay, you know, a price. You get products that you know, essentially do not know what they are. And when you open it, it's like a surprise. Full size, it could be full size, it could be travel size, it could be name brand, it could be drugstore, things like that. On the website, when I specifically bought these bundles, at least the lip one and the eye one, it said that it was going to be name brand and higher end brand prices or products. It did state that in the information when I bought them, so that's what I was expecting, and that is what it was. So I got MAC, I got Lorac, I got Gorgeous Cosmetics, Bite Cosmetics, Urban Decay, Sephora. Like, they were definitely high-end brands. That was true. And it was basically like having an Ipsy or you know, box sent to you. It was a surprise and it was fun. Honestly, color range speaking, like eyeshadows all the way to lipsticks, I loved all of the colors except for this one, but it may look good on. Who knows? I'll try it. But I think the color selection, like, they easily could have been like, oh, here are these reject colors, but they definitely didn't. They thought it out. The colors go well together. Like I said, for the eyeshadow and the eyeliner, like, they all could easily go together as a look. The lips, the eyes, like, the color selection was great. I did get some products that I won't use, but that is not on them. That's on me. That's just the products that I don't use. But all in all, it was definitely a great experience, and I totally would do this again. And I did this kind of like a test run because I've never used Glambot before, and I kind of wanted to use this as like, are you for real? Like, they got a good rep, but are you for real? And it totally is for real. So I would definitely go check them out and go get you a bundle because it's fun and it's like Christmas at your doorstep. So that was just my video today. It was a little haul of Glambot, my first impressions, my little mini haul for you guys. Don't forget to go check out our other videos. There is another person usually here with me, another blondie. She's usually here, but it's just me today. And that was my Glambot haul. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to leave recommendations below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love when my lights fall. It's fine. Hello, internet people of the universe. What? Who am I? What? It's happening. Please, 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 bangs. Please, get bangs, they said. Yeah. Try that again. Hello, you know. Oh, you're still here?